Hello, everyone. I had a request from a couple ladies that wanted to know how to reconcile a bank statement in QuickBooks Online. So I thought I'd just give this a shot in the sample company, which is Craig's Landscape. So let's go over here. So here's Craig's Landscape and Design Service. So if you wanted to reconcile your bank statement, number one, you'd need a copy of your bank statement sitting in front of you so you can match, you can tie to those numbers. Then you would go down from your dashboard, down to accounting, and you can see Reconcile. So if you click on that, get rid of all these messages, and then you'll see which account do you want to reconcile. Well, they have a few accounts. We're going to go with the checking account. Then it says ending balance, $4,625, and the ending date is June 30th. So then you hit the green Start Reconciling button. And there's only 3 transactions. Obviously, the one from May didn't clear until June, which is why that May transaction's there. But it only brings up transactions that it thinks should be reconciled. So you can do a couple different things. I can click on each of these transactions separately. You can see difference is 0. Or let's unclick these. If you hit this button right here, yes, I want to select them all. Boom. You can do all of them at the same time. Now with 3 transactions, it's not, it's not that bad to do. However, if you have like 20 transactions, if you hit this click all button, it'll click them all. And if it doesn't say 0, you still have some items to reconcile. In this case, there's only 3 transactions. It matches. We would hit finish now. Things you want to look for when you're looking at this is you want to make sure all transactions are here. For instance, if there are times where things come up and there's zeros, there's times where you may see the same transaction in here twice. If you did a bill payment and then it came through on the feed and you clicked it again and didn't match it, you may see 2 300s in here instead of 1. So just things to look out for, but you want to make sure everything that's in here is checked unless it's a transaction at the end of the month that hasn't cleared yet. And perfect example is that if you wrote a check to any kind of government agency, chances are that you will not have, it will not clear for a couple of weeks. I've seen, at least with the federal government, a couple of months. So it's not unusual. Just check it against what your bank statement. If it's cleared on your bank statement, it should be clearing in here when you reconcile the account. So you'd hear finish now. Woohoo, you reconciled, yay. And then it'll ask you if you want to do another month. So I recommend only doing 1 month at a time. And I do that because it just makes it easier to tie to all your bank statements. Can you do it for multiple months? If you haven't reconciled your bank statement in 6 months, can you do it? Yes. If you hit the all button and click and there's things that are not clicked or it doesn't tie, you may want to just start over, save it with, cancel it without saving, and go back and do 1 month at a time. It just makes it a lot easier. And as you can see, it's pretty fast to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online. It's one of the great things about it. But just make sure you have your bank statement sitting in front of you, that the ending balance, because that's where you get the ending balance from, the ending balance of your account. You get that from your bank statement. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this is nice and simple. If you got any questions, like I said, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.